Good health begins with sleep. Rest is when your body restores, heals, and balances hormones. By prioritizing deep restorative rest, you unlock the natural energy that fuels every part of your day. What you eat shapes how you age. Choose whole, nutrient-rich foods that support energy, balance, and vitality. It's not about restriction. It's about nourishment that helps you thrive. Movement isn't punishment. It's freedom. Whether it's walking, dancing, yoga, or lifting weights, staying active keeps your body strong, your mood lifted, and your years vibrant. Stress ages you faster than time. Through mindfulness, meditation, or even a few minutes of quiet breathing, you can restore balance, calm your mind, and strengthen your resilience. Longevity isn't just about health, it's about connection. Laughter with friends, shared meals, and meaningful relationships add years to your life and life to your years. True beauty comes from health, mindset, and joy. When you care for your body, nurture your mind, and honor your spirit, your natural radiance shines brighter than ever. Sometimes food alone isn't enough. Smart supplements can help fill gaps, balance energy, and support long-term wellness. Think of them as your allies in vibrant aging. The best foundation? Real foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, paired with targeted supplements when needed. Together, they form a natural powerhouse for your health. Your brain deserves as much care as your body. With the right nutrients, habits, and support, you can protect memory, sharpen focus, and keep your mind young for years to come. Thrive after 40 isn't one choice. It's a lifestyle. Sleep well, eat mindfully, move often, care for your mind, and nourish your body. Every choice builds your foundation for vibrant living. When your mind and body are in sync, you move through life with grace. Practices like yoga, stretching, and mindfulness help you feel grounded, flexible, and strong. Aging is a privilege. Celebrate it. Embrace joy, laughter, and adventure. This season of life is about living with purpose and savoring the freedom that comes with wisdom. Wellness isn't about perfection. It's about daily habits. Simple meals, mindful movement, and consistent routines keep you energized and thriving in your everyday life. At the heart of it all is love, for yourself, for others, and for the journey. When you share this path, you don't just live longer, you live better. Together, you thrive. This 14-step journey is more than tips. It's a lifestyle shift. From sleep to supplements, mindfulness to movement, every step brings you closer to a life of strength, clarity, and radiant joy. You're not just surviving after 40, you're thriving.